All right. Hi, this is Eric Kirkpatrick from Kirkpatrick Law Offices in Belleville, Illinois. What I want to talk to you about today is a situation that comes up quite often, but I want to tell you about this particular situation so that you can try to avoid it. A lady came into the office for a shoulder injury. After I got her medical records and things, I realized that she had a real problem with her neck that she had been treating for quite some time, so I asked her about it. What she explained to me was that her job required a lot of lifting, a lot of overhead lifting, a lot of twisting, a lot of looking up, and a lot of things that she explained to me made her neck pain a lot worse than what it had been. Well, she explained to me that she would tell her employer when something hurt, but she would also tell her employer that, well, my back already hurt or my neck already hurt, so she didn't think to pursue the situation at all. In reality, probably what happened to this lady is after years of just telling the employer that this made my neck hurt today, or I lifted this box and put it up on the shelf and my neck popped, but it's still my old problem that I've had all along, she should have reported an injury. What happened because she didn't report that injury is I have no chance now of going back and making any sort of claim. Now, the point with all this is that a lot of people have previous back injuries or neck injuries or knee problems, whatever the situation may be. People still are able to work with those. But if you injure some part of your body, even though you've had a prior injury or prior treatment on it, if something at your job makes your situation worse, some specific incident or some aspect of your job that you really think has caused you to need more significant treatment, such as in this lady's case, neck surgery, you need to make sure that you report those incidents because an employer in the state of Illinois is still on the hook for the aggravation of a pre-existing condition. So again, if something happens to you and you think that it might still just be part of an old problem you've had for years, but then you find that it's made you worse, make sure that you report it. Reporting is an important thing. In this particular lady's situation, she went for over 2 years reporting, telling her employer that she had a problem, but also at the same time telling them that, oh, don't worry about it, it's just my regular neck pain. That's what she assumed. Well, it turns out that she was wrong. She had ended up herniating a disc in her neck, probably from one of those events that happened at work. Had to have surgery, and now there's nothing I can do because she didn't ever go to the doctor and report that she hurt her neck at work. She just assumed it was the same thing. She never told her employer to turn in an accident report, never tried to turn in an accident report because she thought that it was just the same problem. In reality now, that lady probably will never be able to go back to work again, and I'm positive that if I had been involved in the case in the very beginning, she would have properly reported it, and we might have had a chance of making a workers' compensation claim out of it so that at least she would have some ability to have some sort of financial recovery for it that might help her get the right treatment in the future. It might help her with her financial crisis that she's in right now. As it stands, there's nothing I can do for her. So I encourage you, if you have any questions at all, give me a call. I'll be happy to answer whatever questions in the hope that you can do the right thing in case you need to hire a lawyer down the road. And if you don't need to hire a lawyer, I'll tell you. But feel free to give me a call if you have any questions about what to do in this situation. Thank you.